Hey, this is Jeff with Miller's RV, and I'm here today on the top of a unit, or standing on the top of a unit, to tell you a little bit about roof repair. Hey, before I tell you more about roof repair, do me a favor, click the like and subscribe button and that notify bell as well. We'd love to let you know when there's more content coming out. Well, I'm up here on top of a unit, or at the top of a unit, with my good friend Pete, and we're putting a new TPO roof on a unit. Now, there's a lot of companies out there that will do this, or some of them that'll do it actually on site. I really don't recommend that, because right now it's raining outside, but inside of our building you're good, so we don't have to worry about getting the unit disassembled and then a rain coming. And the other thing, if you can see how neat and smooth this is, he's just rolled it out. He hasn't come back and actually smoothed out the wrinkles, but it already looks really smooth. And one of the reasons why is, in most cases, we're going to do a relay of the substrate before we put the roof on, so that you get a nice smooth surface, but more importantly, the glue is going to adhere a lot better to that new surface than something old. And so a lot of people just go on, rip the old roof off, put down some glue, stick it on. The roof is not going to look smooth, and it's also not going to hold up as well. If it's not adhered as well to the substrate, it is going to bubble up and it's going to cause problems. It's not going to last as long. So we try to do it the correct way. We get everything laid out, and obviously we removed all of the air conditioners and AC vents and everything off the top. Pete does have to remember where everything was, so when he goes back and put all the holes, some of them you can find, some of them he's got to know where they are. But we'll go back and we'll smooth everything out. We'll stretch the roof, put the side caps on, and then he'll come back and add the ACs back where they belong. All of the plumbing vents and different vents will get added back in here, and you'll have a new roof. Now, this particular roof had to be replaced because of tree damage, a limb falling on it. So if that's your case, we're going to make sure that any structural issues are also taken care of. But it could be a water leak issue that has gone so far that it's actually rotted out some of the surface. We can repair that as well, whether it's just replacing the decking or even replacing the framing underneath. Those are things we do every day on the job. So if you need roof repair, bring it to Miller's RV. We take good care of your stuff. We really care about our customers. We want to make sure we do a good job of it. We want to be fair and reasonable, but we also want to make sure it's done right. We're not going to cut corners. And if you get a price that seems really too low, just be wondering, what are they not doing? Because if it's low, there's something missing. We want to do it the correct way. We also want to give you options. If you're just come in and say, hey, this is all I can do right now, it might just be time for a roof coating to be put on or something else. But we want to get with you. We'll help you with your roof repair, whether it's an insurance job or something you have to pay for out of your pocket. We're going to be here to help you enjoy the journey. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Couple quick reminders before you go. If you haven't subscribed and liked the video, please do that. Leave comments below. We love to go back and forth with our customers, answer questions you have. And again, put those questions, if you want something answered specifically, put it in there. Also, check out one of these other videos. We hope that you enjoy them. We hope you've been educated by them and enjoy the time you spend as well. Thanks again, and enjoy the journey.